Ever been in a situation where you're rushing to pay for a chai or a quick snack but encounter delays due to slow UPI transactions? India is at the forefront of digital payments globally, and today we'll discuss two innovative solutions, UPI Lite and UPI 123Pay. Think of UPI Lite as carrying a small wallet for quick purchases. It helps reduce the load on the main UPI system by handling small value transactions separately. UPI Lite is not yet available in all apps and requires the latest version of supported UPI apps. Let's see a live demo. UPI 123Pay is designed for people without smartphones or internet access, such as senior citizens or those in rural areas. Unlike regular UPI, it offers accessibility through basic phones. To use UPI 123Pay, dial a toll-free number and follow the IVR instructions. Remember to keep your secure code private. Here's a visual flowchart to show how the IVR process works step by step. Try out these methods and share your experiences in the comments. Download apps like BHIM or check with your bank for UPI 123Pay services. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with your friends and family to spread awareness about these innovative payment solutions. Subscribe to MoneyZen for more quick and practical financial tips.